Hey everyone, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. I'm Felix and today day trading journal December 12th, 2025. So as you can see, it's a huge down day in the market. So first off, my first trade was IWM, just made $64, which is about 0.3 R. I mean about a little over 0.5 R today, 115 bucks today. Could have been a lot better, but because I missed some trades. So this is what I did here. So for example, IWM is the previous day high, and here's the market high, and the market low is this purple line there. And then if we look here, right here is the trade miss. Basically, you can see here it closed under the 15, so that was good. So basically, seller stepped up because it tried to go higher above the previous day high, but sellers took it down, and it closed 15-minute below the pre-market. So that's good sign number one. The opportunity was that there's this 5-minute 200 EMA. So this was possibly a trade entry here, the stop kind of right there, even though it kind of scares with this shakeout here, but I'm not taking that because of the 5-minute 200 EMA. So this a close under this has to happen. So we get that at 9:55, or around 10 o'clock actually, right here. This is the close under, so basically order in here, and then with the stop kind of like where that wick is, kind of like right here. That would have been a nice 0.5 R trade, and then the rest out at break even. But I didn't take that one. I did take this one here on the retest here, there to the stop kind of like right there, and it hit the 0.8 R, but I decided to get out instead of, because I was thinking, man, it's gonna stop me out of break even. The entry was kind of like long. If this bar was kind of like maybe half here, I would have just stayed in, and that would have been a full winner. But I knew it was gonna stop me out of break even, and it actually did. So I ended up getting 0.3 R. And you can see here IWM 1014. So 1014 is kind of like right here, and that bar is where I got in after this bar closed, because the 2-minute closed above the 13 EMA, so I had to wait for the 2-minute to close under the 13 EMA to reconfirm that the trend is continuing. So it closed, and then it had a nice red bar, and then it went down a little lower. So like, man, let me take out my half at 0.8 R, which is what I did, and then I had the rest stopped at break even. So that's kind of what happened. Instead of waiting for the 1 R to take my half, which was a little further down, this would have been an easy break-even trade. But I did miss this one here, so this was a missed opportunity number one. If you see here, we got entry would have been here with a stop kind of like right there. You can see this wick here on the 5-minute looked beautiful, and this would have been a full winner. You can see here right there, it almost would have shaken out there, but it would have been a full winner there. That would have been definitely the entry. So that was miss number one on IWM. Another miss was SPY, and I took SPY later on, but I got out a little early here. I got $50 there. So first let's talk about the miss. So if we zoom in here, so you can see here the 15-minute close right under the pre-market. Again, I don't look at the first 2-minute pre-market. You can see here, you see this one bar on the 4 o'clock. I ignored this bar. The first 2-minute on the pre-market, I ignore it. As you can see how it's really high. So then after that is when, so this one was the high, and then the low is this here on the pre-market. So anyway, so you can see here the 15-minute close right under the pre-market. So there's the good sign there, right? Which is this bar right here, this 2-minute. So the entry should have been here with the stop right there, and that would have been easily winner. Just boom, dropped. So you can see here it resisted the 5-minute 200 EMA right here. It was resistance, then it broke, became support. It broke, now became resistant. You can see here it broke, it closed under, resisted, push it down, and then there, boom, done. So that was missed trade number 2. And then the one I took was this one here, which was beautiful. This is A plus trade right here. You can see here SPY short 1052 was right here, 1052 in this bar here. So basically we have this bear flag right there, you can see it, and then we got this doji bar on the 5-minute, beautiful, right on the 13 EMA on the 5-minute, beautiful. Everything is beautiful, with room to the next zone, beautiful, or enough room to take half profit at low of day, and then just see what happens, right? And then go break even. What I didn't like was this bar here. So again, this bar's closed above the 13 EMA, so I had to wait for the 2-minute to close under the 13 EMA to get in. But then we had a big bar here. I was like, crap, I'm gonna miss my entry. It's gonna continue going. It's gonna be too big of a bar, right, to put my stop there and put my entry here. So but it stopped, and then this here, so I got my entry at 44. You can see here my entry was 684.44, so it's right 44, right, kind of right there, and my stop was like right above this bar, and you can see here, easy winner, just straight down. But I decided to take a very small because of the missed trades, 2 missed trades. I was like very upset at myself for those missed trades. So I was like, you know what, let me take a profit just there, and be half. Hold on, my internet, it's having an issue. Give it a second there. Okay, we're back. So so I was like, you know what, let me just take another 0.3 R, and then be up $100 for the day, a 0.5 R day. But this one would have been a full winner. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. We got the bear flag, the doji 5-minute, right at the 13 EMA with room down. The EMAs are spread out. This is A plus on its finest. A plus, A plus, A plus. That was A plus. This was A plus. The IWM here that I took was good. And this one here was another good one, and IWM kind of did the same thing here with a SPY, bear flag here into the 13 EMA on the 5-minute, close under, entry there with a stop here, boom, done. So that was kind of the day. So I'm done for the day. I'm up, like I said, a little over 0.5 R. Could have been much better, but that's it. I'm done for the day. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I do these daily trading journals every day to help me become a better trader. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.